continue with the same hard work and stay active in all the levels of your team's participation. So, once again, I welcome you all and wish you all the best for today's event. So, now we will go to the first event. This is for the first time we are using a different template for a quiz competition. So, we also try to conduct this event differently by merging all the technical, non-technical, and the corporate rounds in the same event. So now we will get on to the guidelines for today's event. So we have already shared the guidelines, but I will read it once again because only after that we will get a clarity, and only once you get the clarity we will start the event. So the first thing is that you might have all watched the Kaun Banega Crorepati program or its regional versions. So imagine the rules for that game for the better understanding. So now I will read the guidelines. So both the teams get 10 questions in the 3 rounds. So there are 3 rounds. First round is technical, second round is non-technical, and third one is corporate round. So there are 10 questions each in each rounds. So total one team will be getting a 30 questions total. So each round you can win the points of different weightages. So the first question, it will be of a weightage of 10 points, then 20, then 30, 50, 100, and it will go up to 2,500 points. So there are 2 safe zones as you have seen in that program. So one at 100 points, that is the 5th question, and other is at the 800 points respectively. So here you can choose to continue or leave from the game. So this is the point where I will be asking the captain or mentor the suggestion for whether they have to leave or they can continue the game. So I will remind you that. So only after the 5th question, you have the access to quit from the round. That is, there are 3 rounds actually. So from the technical, you cannot leave the game by the 4th question or 3rd question. Only you will get that choice after you are reaching the 5th question. So once you get the 5th question, I will again remind the captain and mentor whether they want to leave or stay. So if you want to quit from a round, you should seek that option before displaying the next question. If one question is yet to come, then before that itself you have to tell whether you are continuing or not. Because once it's displayed, you have to answer it necessarily. So the another thing is that we have 3 lifelines. So I have talked about safe zone. I have talked about the questions. So now I am talking about the lifelines that you are having. So there are totally 3 lifelines. First one is skip or jump. Second one is 50-50, and third is a extra time. So the first lifeline, the skip or jump. So this is the only lifeline which you can use between first to 4th question. That is, before you are reaching 100 points, you will have 4 questions. So in between that, you can use this skip or jump. But you remember that if you are using this skip or jump lifeline in between that, you will not get that points. If you are using the skip or jump at the 20-point level, and then that 20 points will not be added to a final point table. So it will be reduced. Then another thing is that 50-50. So 50-50 is that the two of the there will be 4 options for each question, and 2 of them will disappear while you are going for 50-50 lifeline. Then it is the extra time. So this is a timer. For each question you have different times, that is time span. The first 4 questions you have almost 30 seconds, 45 seconds. Then next 4 questions you have 60 seconds, and the final you will have almost 1.5 minutes, that is 90 seconds for the last 2 questions. So why this is like this? Because there are 3 levels. That is, first is easy level, that first 4 questions. Second is medium level questions, the second 4 questions, and the last 2 questions are in hard level. So that is why you have different time span. So the timer, the extra time, if you are choosing as lifeline, you will get 30 seconds extra for which you have chosen that. So another thing is that if you are using the 50-50 lifeline, then we will give you 1 minute extra, because if you are using that, maybe there will be only 5 seconds remaining and you are going for 50-50. So then you will not have much time to communicate with your friends. So in WhatsApp, you can use it. And after that, you can use some 1 minute extra that will be given to you. So one participant from each team can represent their team by speaking through the mic, and another one can type it in the chat box. So what the answer is. So that the captain and mentors, please make sure that you are selecting that participant now. So if you are not confident enough, you may walk away from one round to another. So if you are only after the 5th question, this is okay. So after the 5th question, if you don't want it to continue, you can walk away from one round to another. So the team which wins the highest number of points after the completion of all the 3 rounds will be announced as the winner. So we will be adding all the points from technical, non-technical, and corporate round for the final point table. So this has been already shared that technical questions include maths, physics, chemistry of the undergraduation first year level, mechanical and electrical engineering questions of undergraduation second year level. Non-technical includes sports, movies, art and culture, and national symbols. And the corporate round includes professional skills question. This includes the teamwork, integrity, the moral values, and all these, and the current affairs in the business world. So these are the guidelines. If anybody have any doubt, we will clarify it now. Only after you get the full clarification, we will be going into the event. Anybody? Both the teams?
Hello, Vishnu.
Yes, sir.
So both teams will be participating at a time, and who will answer first, they will be given points, right?
No, we will have alternate rounds. That is first technical round 1 for first team, that is Team Titans or Salvatore. That we will take Team Titans. So second round of technical will be for after finishing the first 10 questions, then the second round of technical will start. It will be for Team Salvatore.
Okay.
So again,
okay.
Alternatively, we will be doing that.
Okay.
Any other queries? Team captains and mentors, you can make sure that you have a participant now, because we have to choose which team have to go to the first round. Team Titans, Darshan.
We are ready, Vishnu.
Who are the participants?
Me and Vimal bro.
Okay. Team Salvatore, Manoj and Niranjana.
Hello, Vishnu.
Yes.
Madam.
Hello. Who are the participants, Manoj?
Myself and Sindhu.
Okay. So now we will go on to the decision where who will be going for the first round. So to decide which team is going to participate in the first round, I invite the captains of both teams to select a colored box that is visible on the screen. So Manoj or Darshan, you can choose one color.
Green.
Green. Okay.
Okay.
So Manoj gets yellow. So we will look who is going to participate first.
Okay.
Okay. So the first chance is for Team Titans, represented by Darshan Gowda and Vimalan, and the second it will be by Manoj and Sindhu of Team Salvatore. So the format for the event would be, again I will tell that. So we will begin with the technical round for Team Titan. Next we will have the next turn of the technical round for Team Salvatore. Then Raja will be hosting the non-technical round. That is the turn 1 for Team Titans again, and followed by the round 2 for the second turn for Team Salvatore. And the last round is for the corporate round. First turn it will be for Team Titans, and the next turn will be for Team Salvatore. So are you clear? You have any doubt, you can clarify now.
Vishnu. Hello, Vishnu. Am I audible?
Kishore.
You ask representative that who are going to text in chat box and who are going to answer the question.
Okay. So Darshan, who is going to type in the chat box from your team, and who is going to speak?
Vimalana is going to type in the chat box.
Okay. So Manoj?
Myself going to chat box. Hello.
You will type in chat box, Manoj.
Yes.
Okay. So Sindhaka will be speaking from me. So now we will get on to the event. So I believe that you are already clear with the guidelines. So now after starting the event, there will be no space for that. So here we start the first technical round. So we are going to start the program. So this is the first question for Team Titans. The point where the whole weight of a body can be supposed to be concentrated. Option A, center of mass. Option B, center of gravity. Option C, both A and B. And option D, none of the above. So your time have already started. So last 15 seconds left. Darshan, you can give the answer. Hello.
Hello, center of gravity, Vishnu.
Okay. Can I lock it?
Yeah.
Okay. So Kishore, please lock center of gravity. Option B. And your answer is right. So you have won 10 points. So here is your second question. And you must keep in mind that you have a skip or jump lifeline here. But that won't be added up. So up to 50 points, you can use that. So this is the question. Which of the following is an arrangement in a definite order of a number of objects taken, some or all at a time? So option A, factorial notation. Option B, permutation. Option C, repetition. And option D, counting. Make sure that all the audience is helping your team members who are representing your team. Through WhatsApp, you can communicate with them. 15 seconds left. Darshan,
Vishnu.
the last 5 seconds.
Skip.
Okay, so you have used skip or jump. So this will not be added to a point. And the answer is option B, permutation. So we will now go on to the third question for this round. So the third question is, the cell in which the chemical energy of a spontaneous redox reaction is being converted to electrical work. Which is this cell? Option A, molar cell. Option B, electrolytic cell. Option C, galvanic cell. And option D, both A and B. Your timer has started. So you have lost already one lifeline. So you have 50-50 and timer left. Use it wisely because it will be a harder questions that will be after 100 points. The timer is running.
Galvanic cell.
Can I lock it? So
Yeah.
So Darshan have locked option C, galvanic cell. So you have won 30 points. So now this will be the fourth question for your team, Titans, and it is of 50 points. So the question is, which of the following forces can the pin support resist? Option A, moment. Option B, both vertical and horizontal. Option C, horizontal force only. And option D, vertical force only. And your time starts now. Your timer is running
Hello,
and 20
Vishnu.
seconds. Yes.
Option
Okay.
C, both vertical and horizontal.
Okay. So Kishore, please lock option B, vertical and horizontal. Have won 50 points. And the next question will take you to the first safe zone, that is of 100 points. So the question for the 100 points, that is the first safe zone, it comes here. So this is the question for your first safe zone. These are the inductors that is used for low frequency line filtering, as they are rather beefy and have large inductances. So the options are option A, iron core inductors, option B, ferrite core inductors, option C, air core inductors, and option D, all of the above. So this is the question for your first safe zone. And once you reach the safe zone, you will not come back to point 0. You have 2 lifelines left. One is 50-50 and another is timer. Last 15 seconds left. Last 10 seconds left. If you are not sure, you can use one of the lifelines. This is the first safe zone. Once you get here,
50-50.
50-50. So Kishore, please use the 50-50 lifeline for Team Titans. Your team may give the answer now.
Hello.
Darshan.
There is no time limit.
There is a time limit, but we will give you some 20 more seconds. For the 50-50, we have given 1 minute extra time.
I think iron core.
Can we lock it? Option A, iron core inductors. So Kishore, please lock option A, iron core inductors. And if you are getting in this round, you are going to a safe zone. Congrats, Team Titans, on reaching the first safe zone. So from here onwards, you will be having an option for leaving the game if you are not getting an answer. But you need not take that, because even if you are going to the 200 points round, even if you tell the wrong answer, you will get 100 points anyway. So from the 400 points onwards, you can use that chance. So we will have the first question after the safe zone. You have already used 2 of your lifelines. Use the other one wisely if you have to move forward. So this is the question, and you have 60 seconds from this round. So the instrument which has a current coil and a voltage coil and is used in the transmission and distribution of electric power and for the protection purposes. Option A, energy meter. Option B, ammeter. Option C, watt meter. And option D, multimeter. And your timer starts now. you are safe now, because even if you give the wrong answer, you will only reach the 100-point level, because it is already a safe zone. You can also use your one of the lifeline if you are not getting the answer at the last seconds. Last 20 seconds left.
Option A, energy meter.
Are you sure
Hello.
whether we can lock option A?
Yeah.
So Kishore, please lock option A, energy meter. And your final points for this round will be 100. So let's check. If you are going to give another answer, which might have been Darshan. If other than energy meter, if you are choosing one. Okay, so it is already given that watt meter is the right answer. So here is the end of technical round, the turn for Team Titans, and they have won 100 points for this round. And now we will go on to the second team, Team Salvatore, and I invite Sindhu and Manoj for the next round.
Vishnu, they have skipped one question with 20 points, so their total score will be 80.
80. Okay.
Okay.
So Team Titans have won 80 points, leaving that the one where you have used the skip or jump lifeline. All the audience, please note. So we will be sending a feedback form in the chat box at last. So there will be 2 questions in that, which is from today's event. So we will know whether you were actively participating as an audience or whether not. So you have to be active and you have to fill that 2 questions. Make sure. Kishore, it's not audible.
Vishnu, question have appeared. Please start.
So this is the first question for Team Salvador. So the moment of inertia for a solid sphere is. So the option A, 2 by 5 mr square, option B, mr square, option C, 1 by 4 mr square, and option D, 3 by 4 mr square. So your time starts now. So Team Salvador, will be ready with the answer. You have lifelines too. Skip or jump, you can use it if you are not getting the time. So these are the last seconds.
Vishnu, option A.
Option A, 2 by 5 mr square. Can I lock it?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So we are locking option A, 2 by 5 mr square. So you have won 10 points in the first question. So now we will go on to the second question for this round. And the second question for Team Salvador. So pick the odd one out. Pinning of an acrobat, the safe landing of a cat in a fall, rocket propulsion, helicopters are provided with 2 propellers. So these are the 4 options and your time starts now. So this is based on the angular momentum, the physical quantity. So it is on the basis of that you have to pick the odd one out. Last 20 seconds left. If you are not sure of the answer, you can use the lifeline, skip or jump. These are the last seconds. So 5 seconds left. Answer, please.
Vishnu,
The time
option
ended.
B. Option B.
Option B. Are you sure? If not, you will lose the whole points. You can use the lifeline too.
It's okay. Option.
So may I lock option B?
Yeah.
So please lock option B, the safe landing of a cat in a FR. Sorry, the answer is wrong. You might have used the lifeline because it was only a question of 20 points. The right answer is rocket propulsion. And this is right because all others are based on the quantity angular momentum, and rocket propulsion is on the basis of linear momentum. So this is the end for both the teams of the technical round. So team Titans have won 80 points, and the team Salvador haven't won any points because they haven't reached any safe zone. So make sure that you are getting all the points back from the next round onwards. So now Raja LV will join me with the non-technical round. So thank you.
Thank you, Madhav. Now let us start the non-technical round. Kishore. Hello, am I audible?
Yeah, Raja, you are audible. Wait a minute, I will share.
Okay, Kishore. Yeah, here is the first question for Titans. What is the name of Firosha? What is the new name of the Firosha Kotla ground? And the options are Aruna Jaitley Stadium, Arun Jaitley Stadium, Kumar Jaitley Stadium, Arvind Kejriwal Stadium. The timer has begun. Now you can answer the question for Titans. You have 35 seconds left. Make it fast. You have 18 seconds left. Darshan Gowda, your answer, please.
Raja.
Yes, Darshan.
Option B.
Option B. Can I lock that?
Yeah.
Okay. Kishore, lock option B. That is the right answer. You want 10 points. Yeah. Moving to next question. You have all three lifelines. The next question. Which state has the largest legislative assembly? Option A, West Bengal. Option B, Uttar Pradesh. Option C, Karnataka. Option D, Maharashtra. I'm sure you are quite comfortable with the questions. You have 30 seconds left. You have 20 seconds left. Make it fast, or else you can use the lifeline.
Option B.
Option B. Can I
Uttar
fix
Pradesh.
that?
Raja.
Okay, that's Kishore, lock option B. And that is the right answer. Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh has nearly 404 legislative assemblies. Yes, you won 20 points. Now let's move to other question. Who was the first Indian to win All England Badminton Championship? The options are Kishore, Pulele Gopichand, B. Sai Pranesh, Saurabh Verma, Prakash Padkone. Who is the first Indian to win All England Badminton Championship? This is your 30 points question. You have 40 seconds left. If you are not getting the answer, you can use lifelines. You have all the 3 lifelines. You have 25 seconds left. Darshan Goda, your answer.
Raja. Hello.
Yes, Darshan.
Option D.
Option D. Can I fix that?
Option D.
Can I lock that question?
Raja.
Option? Okay. Kishore,
Raja.
option D. Right answer. Prakash Padkone. Kishore.
Tell Raja.
Saurabh Verma. Prakash Padkone. Option D is the correct answer. Wait 1 minute. We will clarify that one.
Hello, Raja.
Yes, Kishore.
Am I audible?
Yes, Kishore.
You have mentioned Saurav Verma as the correct answer. So what's the Prakash Padkone?
Prakash Padkone is the correct answer. You can give points for that one. Prakash Padkone is the correct answer.
Okay.
Okay, you can display the next question. Sorry for the interruption. For this question, Prakash Padkone is the correct answer. You won 30 points. Yes, let's move to next question. Yes, Kishore, next question. Next question. Which website is most preferred to get literature study materials? This is the question last event webinar question. The options are, Kishore, options. Science, sciencelit.com, scienceweb.com, sciencedictionary.com, sciencedirect.com. Which website is most preferred to get literature study materials? Your time has started. The options are sciencelit.com, scienceweb.com, sciencedictionary.com, sciencedirect.com. $25 left. Darshan Gowda.
Hello, Raja.
Your answer. Yes, Darshan Gowda.
Option D.
Option D. Can I fix that?
Raja.
Okay. Kishore, lock option D. Yes, that's the right answer. What points? Now, name the slogan of Apple company. Options are think more, think innovative, think different, be creative. Name the slogan of Apple company. You have all your 3 lifelines. You have 40 seconds left.
Hello, Raja.
Yes, Darshan.
Option C.
Option C. Can I lock that one? Think
Raja.
Yes, Kishore. Option C, think different. Fix that one. Yes. Think different is the correct answer. Now you have reached the 100 points, which is the safe zone. Hereafter, if you want to continue, you can continue, or if you have any doubt, you can leave from the game. And also, you have all the 3 lifelines with you. Shall we move to 200 points? Yes, Kishore, 200 points
Raja.
question. How many matches did Sachin play in T20 International? The options are option A 2, option B 1, option C 3, option D 4. How many matches did Sachin play in T20 International? You have 30 seconds left. How many matches did Sachin play in T20 International? You have all the 3 lifelines. If you can use any one if you have any doubt. You have 10 seconds left. Darshan Gowda, be quick.
Hello, Raja.
Yes, Darshan.
We will use the lifeline.
Which one? Hello. Which lifeline, Darshan?
Raja.
Lifeline.
50-50.
Okay. Kishore, 50-50. Use 50-50. Yes. 2 and 1. You can answer this. can walk out. Choose it. But be quick.
Raja 1.
Option B, can I lock that one?
Raja.
Hello? Yes, Kishore, lock option
Raja,
B.
you can log.
Lock option B1. That's the right answer. Played only one match against South Africa in 2006. This entire year has played only one T20 match. Yes. Next. Now we are going to 400 points. Here also you can left the game or you can continue the game. You have two more left. Two more say lifelines are there. One skip, another one you can use extra time. Now moving to 400 points question. Yes, Kishore. Yes, Kishore, 400 points question.
Raj, ask them they need to quit.
Question not displayed, Kishore.
Hello, Raja.
Yes, Madhav.
They have only one lifeline left. That is, skip or jump should be used between first 4 questions.
Okay,
So
okay.
timer is left.
Timer is the only option. Okay, okay. Yes, Kishore, 400 points question. Yes. Everything is created twice. First in mind and then in reality. Is a famous quote from the book option A. Hello, options Kishore. Option A, the monk who sold his Ferrari. Option B, the greatness guide to. Option C, family wisdom. Option D, the secret letters. It is a famous quote from which of the following books? You have only one lifeline left, that is timer. You can't use the skip lifeline. You are at 200 points. If you want to quit, you can quit. Everything is created twice, first in mind and then in reality. A famous quote from which of the following books?
Raja.
Yes, Darshan.
Option A.
Option A, the monk who sold his Ferrari. Can I lock that?
Raja. You can log.
Yes. Yes, Kishore. Option A. Yes. Correct. Now you have reached 400 points. If you answer one more question, and you have only one lifeline, that is timer. Now coming to 800 points. Yes, Kishore, 800 points question. Which is the first central bank to reach 1 million followers on Twitter? I repeat, which is the first central bank to reach 1 million followers on Twitter? Option A, ICICI Bank. Option B, Reserve Bank of India. Option C, State Bank of India. Option D, Union Bank. You have one lifeline left, that is timer. And you are at 400 points. If you want to quit, you can walk out. Which is the first central bank to reach 1 million followers on Twitter?
Hello, Raja.
Yes, Darshan.
Option B. RBI.
Option B, Reserve Bank of India. Can I lock that?
You can log.
Okay. Kishore, lock option B. points. That's the answer. Now the Titans has reached the second safe zone, that is 800 points. They have used one of their lifeline and lost skip lifeline, and they are having timer. They have reached the second safe zone, that is 800 points. $1,600. Yes. Global NCAP awarded a 5-star safety rating to a car model for the first time in Africa, and the African spec model is same as that of the subcontinent model. Which car company owns it? For this question, you have 1.5 minutes, that is 90 seconds. Option A, Tata. Option B, Ford. Option C, Mahindra. Option D, Volkswagen. Global NCAP awarded 5-star safety rating to a car model for the first time in Africa, and African spec model is same as that of the subcontinent model. Which car company owns it? You have the one lifeline left, that is timer. You are at 800 points, that is the safe zone. If you answer, you will move to 1,600. If you get the wrong answer, you will get 800 points. And you have one lifeline, that is timer. You have 50 seconds left. Make it fast. You have 30 seconds left. Make it
Hello?
fast. Yes, Kishore.
Raja. And
Yes, Darshan.
option
Yes,
C.
Darshan. Option B.
C. Mahindra.
Option C. Can I lock that? Or you are going to use that?
Yeah, you can lock.
Okay, option C. Kishore, lock option C. That is Mahindra. Points. And you have only one question left to reach the highest point, that is 1,500 points. You are also having one lifeline, that is timer. Final questions. Yes. A country with numerous mud volcanoes and hot springs is a favorite tourist destination for foreigners and has its great Asian culture. The country offers free Wi-Fi connectivity for both its citizens and foreign tourists and is pioneer in providing this service. Which among the following is this country? Japan, China, Indonesia, Taiwan. It is a country with numerous mud volcanoes and hot springs, is a favorite tourist destination for foreigners and has its great Asian culture. The country offers free Wi-Fi connectivity for both its citizens and foreign tourists and is a pioneer in providing this service. Yes, which is the country? You have 1 minute left, and also you have the timer. You can add some more time to answer. This is the final question. If you answer, you will get 2,500 points. That is the highest point. You have 40 seconds left. Make it fast. Which is the country? You have 25 seconds left. Hurry up, Darshan. Make it fast. Or else if you get this wrong, you will get 800 points. That is the second zone, and you will lose half
Raja.
of points. Yes, Darshan.
Raja.
Yes, Darshan.
We will take timer.
Yes, Kishore, add the timer. Yes, Darshan. You have 30 seconds left. If you want to walk means you will get 1600 points. Get this wrong, you will get 800 points. Answer. You want to quit or do you want to answer this question? 5 seconds left, Darshan.
Hello, Raja. Option A.
Option A, Japan.
Ah,
Can I fix that one?
you can.
Yes. Sorry, Darshan. And you have got only 800 points. If you have walked away, then you would have got 8600 points. And the correct answer is Taiwan. Taiwan is the first country in the world to offer free Wi-Fi connectivity to its citizens and foreign tourists. Sorry, Darshan Gowda, you have got wrong by only one question, and you have reached the second safe zone, that is 800 points. As Titans have won 800 points in non-technical round. Now moving to Salvatore. Be confident while answering. If you don't know, just quit and you will get how the points where you are staying. If you get wrong answer, you will move to the safe zones. That is, as you can see in Titans. Yes, Kishore, we can start with Salvatore's. Yeah, the first question. Who won the ICC's men's test cricketer of decade? Once again, who won the ICC men's test cricketer of the decade? Steve Smith, option A. Option B, Rashid Khan. Option C, Virat Kohli. Option D, Rishabh Pant. This is your first question. Who won the ICC men's test cricketer of the decade? You have 30 seconds left. Sindhu Akka, you have 30 seconds left. 25 seconds left. Who won the ICC men's test cricketer of the decade? If you are not quite confident, you can use the lifelines. You have 10 seconds left. Make it fast. Hello, Sindhu Akka? Hello?
Hello.
Yes, Akka?
Option A.
Option A. Can I lock that, Akka?
Yes.
Yes, sure. Lock option A, Steve Smith. The right answer. You got 10 points. We are moving to next question. Who is the present Central Finance Minister? Option A, Amit Shah. Option B, Smriti Irani. Option C, Rajnath Singh. Option D, Nirmala Sitharaman. Who is the present Central Finance Minister? You have all your 3 lifelines and you have won 10 points. You have 40 seconds left. Who is the present Central Finance Minister?
Option
Yes,
D.
Option D, Nirmala Sitharaman. Can I fix that, Akka?
Yeah.
Yes. That is the right answer. You got 20 points. Yes, moving to next question. What should be there at the end of the project PPT slides? This is the question where we have all went for webinar. Timing plan. Option B, deliverables. Option C, future head. Option D, project status. What should be there at the end of project PPT slides? Option A, timing plan. Option B, deliverables. Option C, future head. Option D, project status. You are at 30 points question. You have all your 3 lifelines. You have 20 seconds left. Make it fast. What should be there at the end of project PPT slides? You have 5 seconds left. Make it fast. Akka.
We will skip it.
Oh, skip. Kishore, skip this question. This is 30 points question. So they won't get 30 points. Yes, that is future head. Yes, moving to next question. Which state government has launched Abhayam app for the safety of women traveling by auto and taxis? Option A. I repeat once again. Which state government has launched the Abhayam app for the safety of women traveling by auto and taxis? Option A, Madhya Pradesh. Option B, Tamil Nadu. Option C, Kerala. Option D, Andhra Pradesh. You have 2 lifelines with you and you are at 50 points question. You have 20 seconds left.
Option D, Andhra Pradesh.
Option D, can I fix Akka?
Yeah.
Okay. Kishore, lock option D, that is Andhra Pradesh. The right hand. Andhra Pradesh government has started Abhayam app for ensuring that safety of women who are traveling at night time in autos and taxis. You got 50 points. Now moving to next question. Which Tamil movie won the National Award 2021? This is your first safe zone question. That is option A, Chichori. Option B, Jersey. Option C, Asuran. Option D, Kottanottam. Which Tamil movie won the National Award 2021? You are at your first safe zone question. You have 2 lifelines left. You have 30 seconds left.
Option C, Asuran.
Option C, Asuran. Yes, can I fix that, Akka?
Yeah, you can.
Okay. Kishore, lock C option Asuran. First safe zone, that is 100 points. Hereafter, you have a chance to quit or you can continue the game. Now coming to 200 points question. Yes. Thomas Cup is related to which among the following sports? This is your 200 points question. You have 2 lifelines. Option A, table tennis. Option B, badminton. Option C, lawn tennis. Option D, golf. Thomas Cup is related to which of the following sports? You have 35 seconds left. Thomas Cup.
Option B, badminton.
Option B, badminton. Are you sure, Akka?
Yeah.
Oh, yes, Kishore, you can fix option B, the badminton. Points question, and you have option to quit or you can continue, and you have 2 lifelines with you. Yes, here is your 400 points question. Yes, Kishore. Just do it is the slogan of which company? You have 2 lifelines with you and this is your 400 points question. Option A Nike, option B Adidas, option C Bata, option D Puma. Just do it is the slogan of which company? Option A Nike, option B Adidas, option C Bata, option D
Option A,
Puma.
Nike.
Option A Nike. Yes, lock that option A, Kishore. And 400 points. Lifeline is 50 and timer. Now moving to the second safe zone, that is 800 points. If you answer this one, you are at the second safe zone. Yes, Kishore, please. Question. In timing plan, milestone must be based on what? This is related to non-technical question. Project title, project objective, reference. Option D, project summary. You have 50 seconds left. In timing plan, milestone must be used on what? Where we use that milestone? Timing plan milestone. Project title, project objective, reference, or project summary. You have two lifelines with you, that is 50-50 and timer. You have 30 seconds left. Make it fast.
We will use lifeline.
Yes, which lifeline, Akka?
50-50.
Yes, Kishore, use that 50-50. You have two options. Make it faster. Are you on?
Option B.
Option B. Kishore, lock option B, project objective. It's correct. Got the correct answer. And you are at your second safe zone, that is 800 points. And you have one lifeline, that is timer. Now moving to the 100 points question. So one line, that is time. And you have two more questions to answer. Yes, here is your 1600 points question. In 1937, a car introduced open roof cabins to provide the drivers exposure to the surroundings to the driver, which had metal panel capable of sliding over and thus bringing back charm of open cabins. Which car is this? Option A, Austin. Option B, Alvis. Option C, Nash. Option D, Chevrolet. In 1937, a car introduced open roof cabins to provide the drivers exposure to the surroundings to the driver, and which had a metal capable of sliding out and thus bringing back charm of open cabins. Name the car. This is your 1600 points question. You have 50 seconds left.
Option C, Nash.
Yes, can I fix that one, Akka? Option C, Nash.
Yeah.
Yes, Kishore, lock option C, Nash. If you got this correct, you will move to 1600 points. Correct answer. 1600. That is the first sunroof was the Nash car in 1937. It had a metal panel which is capable of sliding. Now moving to last question, that is your 2500 points question, and you have one lifeline, that is timer. Yes, Kishore, display the question. Here is your last question. Amal went to Delhi for his first school trip on 25th August 2020. The first trip he had after Corona outbreak, and it was his dream to be at Indian Gate. And so when to reach there, he walks a selfie of him in front of India Gate at 9 hours 34 minutes and 36 seconds. He wants to rename the picture, but he sees the serial number generated and got amused by the fact. So tell us, what do you think the serial number was? Option A, option B, and option C, option D. He got amused by the seeing these numbers. What are the serial numbers? What is the special in that numbers? You can think differently and get the answer. You have 1 minute left. You have timer also. Amal went to Delhi for his first school trip on 25th August 2020, the first trip he had after Corona outbreak, and it was his dream to be at India Gate. And so when to reach there, he takes a selfie of in front of India Gate at 9 hours 34 minutes and 36 seconds. He wants to rename the picture, but he sees the serial number generated and get amused by the fact. So what is that serial number? You have 30 seconds left. Make it fast, or else you can use timer. This is your 2500 points question. If you answer, you get 2500 points. By this question, you can get top of the board. Yes, you have 8 seconds left. Sindhu Akka,
We will quit.
quit, huh?
Huh.
Yes. Kishore, they are quitting from here. 1600 points. So they have used the skip option at 30 points. So they get 1570 points. The correct answer is option B. I will tell you the word special in that. The number indicates the date and time at which the photo was generated. You can see the serial number 2020 08 25 09 34 36 indicates year, month, date, hour, minute, second. It means the photo was generated on 2020 at 8th month at the date of 25 at 9 hours 34 seconds and 36 seconds. This is the special about this one. And you have quitted from here. You got 1570 points. Congrats to Team Salvatore. Yes, now we will have corporate round. The first Titans will have the first round of corporate questions round. Titans will play first. Yes. Here is the corporate round for the Titans. Yes, Kishore, start the game. Yes, here is the first question. Who among the following keeps changing the topic before others are ready in the team meeting? I repeat, who among the following keeps changing the topic before others are ready in team meeting? Yes, Kishore, options. Option A, autocrat. Option B, butterfly. Option C, avoider. Option D, aggressor. This is your first question. Start the timer, Kishore. Who among the following keeps changing the topic before others are ready in a team meeting? You have 35 seconds left and you have 3 lifelines. 50-50, skip, timer. So make it fast. You have 25 seconds more. Who among the following keeps changing the topic before others are ready in a team meeting? Yes, Team Titans. You have 10 seconds left. 5 seconds. Darshan.
Hello, Raja.
Yes, Darshan.
Skip.
Skip. Kishore, give skip. They have used skip lifeline. 10 points. The answer is butterfly. Yes, continue with next question. Who among the following shows no involvement in group and engages in distracting communication? The option A, critic. Option B, clone. Option C, avoider. Option D, butterfly. This is second point question. You have two lifelines with you. Who among the following shows no involvement in group and engages in distracting communication? You have 30 seconds left. And the options are option C, critic. Option B, clone. Option C, avoider. Option D, butterfly. Use the other two lifelines in a. You have 5 seconds left. Darshan Gowda, answer please.
Hello, Raja.
Hello. Yes, Darshan.
50-50.
Yes, Kishore. Use 50-50 up. Two options. Option A, critic. Option B, clone. Who among the following engages in distracting communication?
Hello, Raja.
Yes, Darshan Gowda, answer please.
Clown.
Sure, it's the option B, clone. Clone is the correct answer, and you have reached 20 points. And you have only that is 50. Next question. What is most suitable characteristics of an open-minded person? The options are influence the direction of discussion. Option B, act of opportunities. Option C, shows tact and diplomacy. Option D, participate enthusiastically in discussion. And the timer starts, and you have only one lifeline, that is timer. And you are at your 30 points question. What is the most suitable characteristics of an open-minded person? Option A, influence the direction of discussion. Option B, act of opportunities. Option C, shows tact and diplomacy. Option D, participate enthusiastically in discussion. Yes, Team Titans, you have 15 seconds left. Make it fast. You have the good answer, please. Option D.
D.
Can I fix that?
Raja.
Yes, Kishore.
Raja.
Option D. Kishore, fix the option D. Yes. Hello. You got the wrong answer. And you have won 0 points because you haven't reached the first safe zone. Answer, please, Kishore. Kishore, answer. Okay. Team Titans have won 0 points because they got the wrong answer in the third question. Okay. Vishnu Madhav will continue with the second round of corporate event for Salvatore. Yes, Vishnu Madhav.
Thank you, Raja. So now we will be going to the second round of the corporate event. And I welcome Team Salvatore to participate in this. Team Salvador. So this will be the last round and the last turn for a team. So this is the first question for Team Salvador of corporate round. Pick the odd one out, and the hint is that it is based on the value of assertiveness. Option A closed body posture. Option B, a firm, clear voice. Option C, eye contact with other. And D, symbol language to communicate. Your time starts now. You have 20 more seconds left. You can use the skip or jump or any lifeline, or you can answer it. So this is the last seconds. Sindhu Akka.
We will take 50-50.
Okay, Kishore, please take the lifeline 50-50. So there are two left. A closed body posture and a firm, clear voice.
Answer A. Hello.
Yes.
Lock option B.
So Kishore, please log option B, a firm, clear voice. Option B, Kishore. So we are locking it. And the answer was wrong. And the correct option is A, that is a closed body posture. Because a closed body posture is a direct opposite to a open posture, which is showing that you are more courageous and assertive. So this is the end. And Team Salvador have won 0 points in this round. So we will have the final point table, and we will look who have won this after the 3 rounds. That is technical, non-technical, and corporate. So we will intimate you about the points later. Thank you all once again. I hope that we were able to complete today's event up to the expectation, even though there were some problems with it. I would like to thank you all for your cooperation and the active participation that all the team members have shown. Now, please provide us with the feedbacks, and we will be sending it the chat box as well as in the TVS team. So it will consist of 2 questions that is from the today's event, which will be which you are all the audience or the participants have to answer, so that we can know you were actively participated or not. So thank you all, and you should give that feedback so that we can correct our mistakes and bring new events meeting all your expectations next time. Thank you. So now Raja will join me and talk about the next event announcement. Thank you.
Yes, Madhav. The next event will be offline event, and the offline event is the second online hobby show 2021. The guidelines for all team members. Everyone should share your hobbies documents with their respective mentor or captain. For your reference, there are some pictures like that. You have to take some pictures of your hobbies, and you need to make that as a document, and the document template will be shared later, and you have to give to your captain or mentor. And there are separate guidelines for captain and mentor. At final, here are the guidelines for team mentors and captains. The captain or mentor of each team should collect individual copies with photos of your respective team members. Create and upload final consolidated documents with the below criteria in the form provided. These are the criteria which the EMT is looking for. That each team should collect these many number of hobbies from your respective team members, and the document template and form will be shared later. This is the event, offline event for the next week. Thank you.
Thank you all once again. So we will meet in the next event.